you some paper fidgets, and I hope you will like them. My character. No, oh gosh. No, it's ruined. Okay, it's not ruined. Okay, the next one. So there's stickers in here. A candy fidget. A sticker, blind bag, mini fan, sticker, mini lava lamp. Wait, let me pick up it. Yo-yo. And a mini gift card. Now let's load the bag again. I usually really like cinnamon rolls, so yeah. Well, this is loaded with lots of stuff. So you guys can see part 2. I'm gonna make my melody because this is Hello Kitty and I really love Hello Kitty. So they will say bye. So please like and subscribe and hit that bell